Hi, I'm Charlene from All Style Life, and today I'm giving my Christmas tree the trending Ralph Lauren inspired look. Think rich textures, timeless patterns, and that warm, cozy, but elevated vibe. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to achieve it. The real signature of this Ralph Lauren inspired look is the ribbon, and I always put the ribbon on first. I'm using a wide tartan plaid ribbon with wire, which makes it really easy to bend and shape to exactly how I want it. Rather than wrapping it around the tree, I'm doing a soft cascade. It feels more natural, luxe, and very Ralph Lauren. I start by gathering the ends and tightly twisting it together. I take the end and then tuck it in deep into the tree, wrapping it around a branch close to the trunk. Then I create a loose loop like a waterfall, and then I twist and tuck it back in again. And it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, that slightly organic drape is what makes it look elevated. Velvet is another signature Ralph Lauren texture. I picked this rich red velvet ribbon to make DIY bows. To make the bow, you can fold your ribbon in half to find the center, then pinch it to form two loops. Tie a knot in the middle, and then just fluff and adjust until it looks full and balanced. I used an ornament hook to thread through the back to attach it to the tree. You want to place your bow about a quarter of the way into the branches, not right at the tip. It gives the tree more depth and makes the bows feel like they're part of the design. After that, I added these easy clip-on candles, which I love for this look. They bring that old world classic charm, like something you'd see in a vintage Christmas illustration. Then I moved on to ornaments, and for this tree, it's all about mixing textures. I used golds in different finishes, those classic red velvet bulbs, and ornaments with brass tones. Everything feels warm and collected, nothing overly shiny or too modern. There's no strict method to hanging them. I just spread them out evenly and step back after each one to make sure the tree looks balanced. Once the ornaments are on, I finished with red berry picks. They're perfect for filling any gaps, adding more depth and pulling that classic Ralph Lauren red throughout the tree. And now for the tree topper, I went with a classic star because it felt traditional and timeless, but you could totally do a big satin bow or a cluster of berry picks. My tip is to use zip ties to secure your tree topper. They're honestly the best. And now for the magical moment, the lights. I absolutely love how this tree turned out. It has this nostalgic feeling like the Christmases I remember from childhood, but elevated in a beautiful way. The rich textures, the ribbon, the glow, it just feels special. I hope this inspires you to create your own Ralph Lauren themed tree this year. It adds such a cozy charm to the season, and it was truly a joy to put together. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Home Network for more decorating inspo. See you on the next one.